Hello, I am Josh. I'm one of the trainers at SFD, and I am going to show you how to use the IPR tracker. So, when you're on a patient record like so, you can access it one of two ways. You can click the F5 button, which will take you to their orthodontic overview, where you've got the note on the right hand side, you've got the overview there, and you can see you've got the overview, OPG, KEF, and lab work, and you've also got the IPR button. Now, the alternative way of accessing it is going to the further options, just that little oven icon, click on that and go down to where it says IPR. If you click on that, and then it will direct you to that section. Now, to start one, just go to Edit, click on that, choose the clinician who's going to be conducting the IPR tracker, and then what you can do is you can then go between the mesial and distal. So once you've found which one it is, you can see there, you can have it together where you've got your planned and your applied. So you can type in, and then if you click this little sort of yellow and red button, that will separate the distal and mesial apart, where again you can do your planned and applied. Once you're happy with it, all you need to do is then click OK, and then you can see there it's all recorded and you've got your totals on the right hand side. And then once you're happy, just click save.